Are you a true Eminem fan? It's time to put your stan status to the ultimate test with this mega challenge. In this video, we've lined up 40 exciting challenges. From guess the song and guess the beat to finish the lyrics, tricky trivia, and more. To make it even more fun, we've split the quiz into 4 levels: easy, medium, hard, and impossible. And your final score out of 40 will decide which type of Eminem fan you are. But before we start, here are some of the top comments from our previous videos. Want a shout out? Don't forget to leave a comment on this one. Now, let's dive into the challenge with an easy difficulty. Guess the song from the few seconds of audio.
It's my decision to get clean. I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably...
It's Not Afraid.
It's my decision to get clean. I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably...
Guess the song from instrumentals only. It's Without Me.
Now this looks like a job for me, so everybody just...
Finish the lyrics of Lose Yourself.
He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to... drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting.
Which Eminem song has this lyrics? Laney, Uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it. It's Mockingbird.
But Laney, Uncle's crazy, ain't he? Yeah, but he loves you, girl, and you better know it.
What is Eminem's real name? A. Marshall Sean Mathers III. B. Marshall Bruce Mathers III. C. Sean Combs. Guess the song from the beat only. It's the Real Slim Shady.
Y'all act like you never seen a white person before. Jaws all on the floor like Pam, like Tom.
Guess the song from the music video. It's Godzilla.
Normal during the day, but at night turn to a monster. When the moon shines like ice road trucker.
Guess the song from few seconds of audio.
Carter and Liam, look at you. Little bro, sorry I left you.
It's Somebody Save Me.
Carter and Liam, look at you. Little bro, sorry I left you.
Guess the song from isolated vocals.
Bees in the coop, leaning back my seat. Bumping R. Kelly's favorite group, the black guy.
It's Houdini.
Bees in the coop, leaning back my seat. Bumping R. Kelly's favorite group, the black guy.
Guess the song from the beat only. It's Love the Way You Lie.
Stand there, watch me burn.
Now it's time for medium difficulty. Guess the collab song.
The few true villains who stand inside of the boot, true spilling and spit true feelings until our true feelings come from.
It's Forever.
The few true villains who stand inside of the boot, true spilling and spit true feelings until our true feelings come from.
Finish the lyrics of Stan.
Look, I'm really flattered you would call your daughter that. And here's an autograph for your brother. I wrote it on the starter cap.
Guess the song from the beat only. It's Superman.
I'm here to rescue you. I wanna save you, girl.
Which label did Eminem co-found with Paul Rosenberg? A. Shady Records. B. Interscope Records. C. Aftermath Entertainment. Guess the song from the intro.
Yeah. It's my life.
It's When I'm Gone.
When I'm gone, just carry on, don't mourn, rejoice every time you hear the sound of.
Finish the lyrics of Cleaning Out My Closet.
Have you ever been hated or discriminated against? I have. I've been protested and demonstrated against.
Guess the song from the beat only. It's Fuel.
We can just say I'm like an R-A-P-E-R. Got so many essays.
Which Eminem album features the hidden diss track The Kiss Skit? It's The Eminem Show. Guess the song from the outro.
Think not. Why be a king when you can be a god?
It's Rap God.
Pocket my pinnacle walk when I hat cock it. Got a fat knock from that rat profit. Made a living and a killing off it.
Finish the lyrics of Beautiful Pain.
It happens all the time. They take your heart and steal your life, and it's as though you feel you've died. Cause you've been killed inside, but yet you're still alive, which means you will survive.
Now it's time for hard difficulty. Guess the collab track from this snippet.
Creeps up behind me and she's like, yeah. I'm like, I know, let's cut to the.
It's Smack That with Akon.
Creeps up behind me and she's like, yeah. I'm like, I know, let's cut to the.
Guess the rare song from a slowed down beat. It's Soldier.
Influence, I spew it and look how I got you bitches rocking to it. You motherfuckers.
Finish the lyrics of Lighters.
Rap games, nibble is mine for the milking. Till nobody else even fucking feels me. Till it kills me, I swear to God I'll be the fucking illest in this music.
What's the name of the group Eminem formed before D12? It's Soul Intent. Guess the song from Isolated Vocals.
Baby girl keeps getting older.
It's Haley's song.
Baby girl keeps getting older.
Guess the track from its reversed audio. It's Just Don't Give a Fuck.
Eminem Shady, brain dead like Jim Brady. I'm a M80. You lit.
Finish the lyrics of The Monster.
No, I ain't much of a poet, but I know somebody once told me to seize the moment. Don't squander it, cause you never know when it all could be over tomorrow, so I keep conjuring.
What's the name of M's adopted daughter? It's Elena. Guess the collab track from 2 seconds of audio.
Take some big and some pop, and you mix them up.
It's Patiently Waiting with 50 Cent.
Take some big and some pop, and you mix them up in a pot. Sprinkle a little Big L on top.
Guess the deep cut track from Beat Only. It's White America.
How could I predict my words and have an impact like this?
Now it's time for impossible difficulty. Only true stans will survive. Guess this track from the Beat Only. It's Fack.
I'm on my dick, of course it is. This bitch don't know what abortion is, so I can't.
Which song did Eminem record as his diss to Benzino and Murder Inc.? It's Nail in the Coffin. Guess the track from isolated vocals.
Couch, this TV, this whole house is mine. How could you let?
It's Kim.
Couch, this TV, this whole house is mine. How could you let?
Finish the lyrics of Criminal.
Homophobic? Nah, you just heterophobic. Staring in my jeans, watching my genitals bulging. That's my motherfucking balls. You better let go of them.
Guess the song from Reversed Audio. It's Bad Guy.
Now this time you better go and get the sewing kid, bitch. Finish this.
What was Eminem's original rap name before Slim Shady? It's M&M. Guess the collab track from 1 second of audio.
See yourself as a kid.
It's Renegade with Jay-Z.
See yourself as a kid again, and you get embarrassed, then I got nothing to do but make you look stupid.
Guess the Rare feature track.
Get the said he was raw, my Uzi's heavy as yours. Yeah, you met me before.
It's Dead Wrong with Notorious Big.
Get the said he was raw, my Uzi's heavy as yours. Yeah, you met me before.
Guess the collab track.
Yeah. Come here, dear. I'm trying to get closer to you. I'm motioning you to.
It's Numb with Rihanna.
Yeah. Come here, dear. I'm trying to get closer to you. I'm motioning you to.
Guess the Rare track from 2 seconds of beat. It's Infinite.
I travel through your mind into your spine like siren drills. I'm slamming grills of roaches with spray to this.
That's it for today. So, how many challenges did you complete correctly? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more rap challenges every day.